When I get to be in my backyard with my tractor, trying to perfect the mow, this is my happy place. When you have the right tool, it transforms work into a pleasure. I am definitely a lines guy. If you want something that looks like a golf course, alter the way you cut. That will help your grass not to have a memory, and you'll have an even grow. My wife, daughter, and I are all creative spirits, but this is my domain. When I come here and I can put a new plant in and it grows and it beautifies the yard, it makes me happy. A number of neighbors have asked, how do you get your lawn to look that way? I'll give them certain tips and websites that I have used. I will post to social media and say, hey, yard is looking pretty good right now, you know? Have an activity that you would love to do in your yard that you worked so hard to make great. For me, it's Tai Chi. They call it a moving meditation. It's a mental, physical, and spiritual activity. Even the way you stand is a way to ground you. I feel a sense of pride when I know it's looking great. Yes, never ending.